V-twin bikes hit different. More torque, more character, more soul. Here are the 7 best new V-twin motorcycles for 2026. Number 7. Yamaha V Star 250, a small V-twin that has earned a big reputation for reliability and ease of ownership. Even in 2026, this bike remains one of the most approachable V-twin cruisers you can buy. The 249cc air-cooled V-twin engine is simple, smooth, and incredibly dependable. It's not designed for speed or aggressive riding. It's built for relaxed cruising and stress-free ownership, which is exactly what many riders want. One of the biggest strengths of the V Star 250 is how easy it is to live with. Low seat height, lightweight, and predictable handling make it comfortable for new riders and experienced riders alike. Maintenance is minimal, parts are widely available, and Yamaha's build quality means this bike just keeps running year after year. It starts easily, runs quietly, and rarely asks for anything beyond basic service. While it may not have the power of larger V-twins, it delivers something just as important: confidence. The Yamaha V Star 250 is proof that a V-twin doesn't need to be big or expensive to be enjoyable, reliable, and satisfying to ride. For riders who value simplicity, comfort, and long-term peace of mind, this bike still makes a lot of sense in 2026. Number 6. Suzuki Boulevard C50, a V-twin cruiser that has built its reputation on comfort, smoothness, and long-term reliability. This is the kind of motorcycle riders choose when they want relaxed cruising without unnecessary complications. The heart of the C50 is its 805cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine tuned for calm, steady torque rather than aggressive performance. It pulls smoothly from low speeds, stays composed on the highway, and never feels stressed, exactly what mature riders appreciate. One of the C50's biggest strengths is how comfortable it feels on long rides. The low-seat, wide handlebars and stable chassis make it easy to ride for hours without fatigue. Even for taller or heavier riders, Suzuki's engineering is another major plus. The Boulevard C50 is known for being extremely dependable, with simple maintenance and strong build quality that holds up year after year. Many owners report riding tens of thousands of miles with nothing more than routine servicing. It may not be the flashiest cruiser in the lineup, but that's part of its charm. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 focuses on what really matters: smooth V-twin character, comfort, and reliability. If you want a cruiser that quietly does everything right, this one still deserves serious attention in 2026. Number 5. Honda Shadow Phantom, a V-twin cruiser that has earned its reputation the hard way, through years of reliable, no-nonsense performance. This bike is all about simplicity, durability, and stress-free riding. The Shadow Phantom is powered by a 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers smooth, predictable torque. It's not built to be fast or flashy. It's built to be dependable, calm, and easy to live with, which is exactly what many riders want. One of the biggest strengths of this bike is its balance. The low seat height, stable chassis, and relaxed ergonomics make it comfortable in city traffic, and surprisingly confident on longer highway rides. Honda's build quality really shows here. The Shadow Phantom is known for running for years with minimal maintenance, rarely giving owners any serious problems beyond routine service. That reliability is the reason so many riders keep these bikes for a long time. Styling is another highlight. The blacked-out look gives it a clean, modern presence without overdoing the design, keeping it timeless rather than trendy. The Honda Shadow Phantom proves that you don't need advanced electronics or complicated features to enjoy a great V-twin cruiser. Number 4. Moto Guzzi V7 Sport, a V-twin that offers something truly different from the rest. This bike stands out because it blends classic Italian character with modern reliability, creating a riding experience that feels special every time. The V7 Sport is powered by Moto Guzzi's iconic transverse V-twin engine, delivering smooth, torque-rich performance with a distinctive feel you won't find anywhere else. It's calm at low speeds, responsive when you open the throttle, and perfectly suited for relaxed everyday riding. One of the biggest strengths of the V7 Sport is its balance. The bike feels light, well-planted, and incredibly easy to control, making it enjoyable for both city rides and longer weekend journeys. For 2026, riders are especially excited about the refined chassis, improved suspension tuning, and updated electronics that make the V7 Sport more polished without losing its soul. It still feels mechanical and engaging, just more refined than before. Build quality has also improved significantly over the years, And modern Moto Guzzis are known for being far more dependable than many people expect. Maintenance is straightforward, and the bike is designed to be owned and enjoyed long-term. The Moto Guzzi V7 Sport isn't about chasing trends or raw power. Number 3. Indian Scout Bobber, a V-twin cruiser that perfectly blends modern performance with classic American muscle. This bike has become incredibly popular because it looks aggressive, rides smoothly, and delivers real-world power without feeling overwhelming. The Scout Bobber is powered by a liquid-cooled V-twin engine that produces strong, usable torque across the rev range. Acceleration is quick, throttle response is crisp, and the engine feels refined without losing that raw V-twin character riders love. One of the biggest reasons this bike stands out is its balance. Despite its muscular look, the Scout Bobber feels light, controlled, and surprisingly easy to handle, even at low speeds or in traffic. For 2026, anticipation is high around further refinements to ride quality, electronics, and overall comfort, making it even more enjoyable for everyday use. Indian has been steadily improving fit and finish, and riders expect that trend to continue. The low seat height, minimal design, and solid chassis make this bike both confidence-inspiring and fun to ride. It's aggressive without being intimidating, a rare combination in the cruiser world. The Indian Scout Bobber earns its place here because it delivers style, performance, and modern reliability in one sharp package. Number 2. Harley-Davidson Breakout 117, a V-twin cruiser that's all about bold presence and serious muscle. This bike doesn't try to be subtle. It's built to look powerful, sound powerful, and feel powerful from the moment you fire it up. At the heart of the Breakout is the Milwaukee 8 117 engine, delivering massive low-end torque and effortless acceleration. The power comes on smooth and strong, making highway cruising feel relaxed while still giving you that unmistakable Harley punch when you open the throttle. The long, low stance, wide rear tire, and stretched-out design give the Breakout a unique drag-style look that instantly grabs attention. Despite its aggressive appearance, the bike feels stable and planted, especially at higher speeds. For 2026, riders are expecting refined suspension tuning, improved electronics, and subtle styling updates to make the Breakout even more polished without losing its raw attitude. Harley fans love this model because it keeps things simple: big engine, strong frame, and classic V-twin character. The Breakout 117 earns its place near the top because it delivers pure Harley muscle with modern refinement. If you want a V-twin cruiser that makes a statement every time you ride, the Harley-Davidson Breakout 117 remains one of the most exciting machines to watch in 2026. Number 1. Ducati Diavel V4, the motorcycle that completely redefines what a modern cruiser can be in 2026. This isn't just a bike, it's a statement, combining cruiser attitude with superbike-level engineering. At the heart of the Diavel is Ducati's Gran Turismo V4 engine, delivering explosive performance while remaining surprisingly smooth and refined. It's powerful across the entire rev range, yet incredibly controlled, making it feel just as confident cruising as it does accelerating hard. What truly sets the Diavel V4 apart is how effortlessly it blends comfort and performance. The riding position is relaxed, the seat is supportive, and the chassis feels rock solid, giving riders confidence at any speed. For 2026, anticipation is high around further electronic refinements, updated rider aids, and even more polished ride modes. Ducati's advanced tech package, traction control, cornering ABS, and adaptive riding modes makes this bike feel futuristic without being overwhelming. Despite its aggressive styling and massive presence, the Diavel V4 is incredibly easy to ride. It feels balanced, predictable, and surprisingly practical for everyday use, something few bikes in this category can claim. So which V-twin impressed you the most? Drop your pick in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.